All right, today we are gearing up to go on a hunt for some rogue radio frequency interference. While a lot of tools are pretty good all-rounders, this kind of hunt, it calls for a specialist. We're talking about the spectrum analyzer. It's an absolutely essential piece of kit. And hey, just so you know, this is part 5 of our deep dive into RFI detection. We've already looked at things like antennas and SDRs, so now it's really time to bring in the heavy hitters, the tools you need for those really tricky signals. So this really gets to the heart of it, doesn't it? We've all been there. You've got your software-defined radio, which is awesome and super flexible, but sometimes you just hit a wall. You're chasing a signal that's super faint, or it's just elusive. Maybe it's hiding right next to some huge, powerful broadcast. In those moments, good enough is just not going to cut it. You need a tool that's built for uncompromising precision. And that, my friends, is the spectrum analyzer. Think of it like a super-powered receiver. It doesn't just hear the noise, it measures it with scientific accuracy. It's going to give you super precise frequency data, the exact power of a signal, and it lets you zoom way, way in on the details using something called resolution bandwidth control. Honestly, it's the perfect sidekick to an SDR, and it takes your whole investigation to a completely different level. Okay, first up in our toolkit is our field investigator. The detective that goes wherever the case leads. So let's meet the RF Explorer. This little device is all about taking that professional lab-grade analysis and getting it out into the real world, where the action is. And here it is. Check this thing out. The RF Explorer is just a game changer when it comes to portability. It's made for those times when you absolutely have to be on the move. I'm talking chasing a signal down the street or tracking it across a huge building. This is your go-to for that boots-on-the-ground initial investigation. So what makes it so great for field work? Well, for starters, it's handheld, right? And it covers a massive frequency range. We're talking models that go all the way up to 6 gigahertz. You can also tweak the resolution to really zoom in on what you're looking for. And that built-in battery means you can go for hours. Oh, and bonus, you can plug it into a laptop for some more serious analysis if you need to. But really, if it has one superpower, it's portability. That is the whole point. Instead of being chained to a desk, you, the investigator, can just zip between different locations, compare readings right there on the spot, and zero in on a source without the absolute nightmare of lugging around heavy, fragile lab equipment. But what happens when our field agent finds a clue that's just too subtle, too complex to figure out on the fly? Well, that's when you bring the evidence back to the forensics lab. And in our world, that lab is built around our second detective, the Rigol DSA 815TG. I mean, just look at the difference. This is a serious, comprehensive benchtop machine. The Rigol is built for that deep, meticulous work where performance is absolutely everything. Its size really tells you about its power. It's just packed with everything you need to find even the most difficult to find signals. And if the RF Explorer's superpower is portability, then the Rigol's is this, superior dynamic range. Now, I know that sounds super technical, but what it actually means in practice can be the difference between solving the case and hitting a total dead end. This really says it all. Superior dynamic range is like having hearing so good you can pick out a whisper in the middle of a rock concert. This machine can sniff out a tiny, faint interference signal even when it's right next to a massive, powerful, legitimate broadcast. It sees the clues that other, lesser analyzers would just completely miss. So we've got 2 incredible tools, right? 2 masters of their craft, but how do you choose? It's not about which one is better. It's about which one is right for the job you're doing. So let's put them side by side. So on the one hand, you have our field agent. It's agile, it's fast, it's ready to go anywhere. And on the other, our lab forensicist, patient, precise, and able to uncover the absolute tiniest piece of evidence. It's really 2 different philosophies for 2 very different stages of an investigation. Let's just lay it all out here. It's basically a trade-off, portability versus raw power. The RF Explorer gives you that amazing freedom to do quick scans wherever you are, while the Rigol gives you the deep, precise analysis you need back at the lab to crack the really tough cases, the ones with those subtle, hidden signals. So at the end of the day, what's the big takeaway here? In the world of RFI hunting, it's really easy to get caught up in specs and features. But the truth is, the best tool, it's not always the biggest or the most expensive one. No way. The best tool is the one that fits the specific challenge you're up against. It's the one that actually helps you solve the mystery.